Hello everyone, in this video I will explain you the variables in Java. What is variable? Discuss with the types. First, variable is the name of the memory location. In other word, we can say it as user defined name which is given by the user. Means variable is the name of the memory location where the value is stored. That memory location name is the variable and it is user defined name. The variable can store any types of values, that is numeric value, and any names that can store. And variable means vary plus able, that is able to vary. The value of that variable will be keep on changing. It can change the value. That's why vary plus able, that is variable. This is able to vary, means it's keep on changing the value. For example, int, this is the data type A. A is the variable name that will hold the value, some value. This value is not the fixed value, it can change. That's why this is the variable name is equal to value. The value is assigned to the variable. A is equal to A plus 10. Float is equal to float A is equal to 20.5. These are the types of variable, like how we can assign the value to the variable with the different data types. And let us see the types of the variable here. We have three types of variables, that is local variable, static variable and instance variable. These are the three types of variables. Let us see one by one. The first one is local variable. A variable which is declared inside the body of the method or method parameter is called as local variable, which is declared inside the body of the method. It is the body of the method. It is declared inside the body of the method. This is called local variable. That's why it is a local variable. Syntax is void function int a. This is the local variable, and the int a which is declared inside the main method. This is the local variable. Syntax of the local variable. Let us see the second type of the variable, that is instance variable. A variable which is declared inside the class but outside of all the methods is called instance variable. Means it is declared inside the class but outside the methods, that is instance variable. For example, we have taken the syntax here, class A. This is the class, inside the class, that is int A, and public static void main string arguments. Then inside the methods, we didn't declare any variables here. We have declared the outside the method and inside the class. That's why it is a instance variable. This is the instance variable. Let us see one more example, that is static variable. The third one is static variable. A variable which is declared with the help of static keyword called as static variable. We use the static keyword. Then we can easily find out that this is the static variable. Let us see the syntax. Static, the data type and the variable name. This is the syntax of the static variable. Let us see an example. Class A, this is the class and this is the class name A. Static int b is equal to 20. We have used the static keyword here. That's why this is the static variable. And int c is equal to 30. I have taken one more variable here, that is c is equal to 30. Then it is inside the class and outside the method. That's why it is instance variable. Got it? Just we have used the static keyword here. That's why it is the static variable. We have declared one more variable here inside the class and outside the method. That's why it is instance variable. Public static void main string arguments, and inside the method also I have declared one more variable, int a is equal to 10 and a reference is equal to new a. I have created one more class here, one more object here, system.out.println a. It will print the a value, and system.out.println b, a dot b, it will print the b value. B is a static variable. It will print the value of the static variable. And system.out.println reference.c, it is the instance variable. It will print the value of the instance variable. A is a local variable. It will print the value of the local variable. And B is the static variable. It will print the value of the static variable. And C is the instance variable. It will print the value of the instance variable. These are the three types of variables. If you find this video helpful, then subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share this info with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.